Have you ever wondered, how do you pair your cordless Bluetooth scanner to a phone, tablet, or PC, and you're not a rocket scientist? Well, Zebra has solved that problem for you. In one easy step, I'll show you how to pair this scanner to this device using the Scan-To-Connect utility from Zebra Technologies. Let me open up the Scan-To-Connect utility app and show you how. Launch the STC utility, scan the pairing barcode that shows up, accept the pairing request, and you're connected.